This lesson is about buying a new car, or what we call calculating the monthly payments. Okay, and a lot of this is of course done online, but I want to show you some things that we consider when we are buying a new car. All right, so we've already talked about this, but the listed price of a new car is called the MSRP, the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Important to note that this price does not include taxes, freight, or any options or upgrades that you want, right? So if you want a sunroof on your car or leather seats, none of these will be included in that MSRP. A used car does not have any extra cost, right? That's all built in, except you do have to pay tax on it. So important to know that. If you cannot afford to pay for the car in cash, obviously you're going to take out a loan. You're maybe going to make a down payment and you're going to pay it back over a number of years. Let's say 3 years, 4 years, 5 years are the most common. Payments are made monthly and they include, of course, interest. Okay, so in this one together, we're going to calculate the balance, interest, total cost, and monthly payments for a 2018 Civic. Here are some of the details that you would need to find in the fine print. So the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $40,990. You're going to get some added body side moldings for $267.57, an extended warranty, freight and PDI. Here is the total for that. There is a $1,500 rebate. The term is 60 months, which is 5 years, and the interest rate is 4.39%. The levies include all of these fees as well. And you do have a vehicle to trade in. You're going to trade in your 2009 Altima. They're giving you $6,000 for that. And you've saved up a lot of money. You're going to put $10,000 down. So let's look at sort of the process of how we consider this. Okay, so I've set up a chart for you. First thing is we're going to put our manufacturer's suggested retail price, which is $40,990. Next, we need to add up our freight, PDI, and all of these levies. So we have $1,595 plus $100 plus $1,650 plus our environmental fee plus the transaction and registration fees. And when I add that all up together, I get $1,767.50. Accessories, we're going to add those body side moldings, $267.57. Extended warranty, $1,038. And so far then we're going to go ahead and we're going to get a subtotal. So let's add all those up together. Okay, and hopefully you got the same as me. I got $44,063.07. Now there is tax on that, okay? So reminder, while you have that number in your calculator, okay, to find the tax, it's 13% of the total. So I would take 0.13 and I would multiply it by that subtotal, the $44,063.07. Or you can actually go straight to the total by multiplying by 1.13 to do tax all in one step. So I'll show you both times 1.13 on my calculator. The total with tax, I'm going to do that in red so I have that number handy, is $49,791. Make sure you round correctly, and 27 cents. Okay? And if I just go back up and do my 0.13 times the subtotal, you can see that the amount of tax is $5,728.20, rounding properly there. Okay, so the total for your car is just under $50,000, okay? Now, you are going to put down, you did get a rebate of $1,500, and you're going to put a down payment of $10,000 down, and you got a trade-in value of $6,000. Okay, so that's a lot of money coming off of that balance owing right now. Okay, so that's all being paid today. So, of course, we're going to subtract all of those numbers from the total of $49,791.27. And when I do that, so I pay all that money today and get those rebates today, and then the balance owing is $32,291.27. So that is the amount that is going to be financed over the 60 months, the 5 years. Okay, so now we're going to use an online calculator to calculate the monthly payment. So I'd like you to pull up that link either on your phone or on a separate device or on the same device, whatever you need to do. Okay, so when I pull up this calculator, you're going to have to enter how much you're looking to borrow. Now, note it doesn't take cents, so this is just an approximate loan calculator. So you're just going to put in $32,291. For how long? 60 months. It's a new vehicle we're looking at, and you're going to put the interest rate in at 4.39. And at the bottom, it should tell you right away your estimated monthly payment is $600. So hopefully you got that, and that makes sense. So we're going to use a monthly payment of approximately $600. So you are going to be paying $600 for 60 months. Okay, so in total, you're going to be paying $36,000. Okay, that means the finance charge was your $36,000 minus the balance owing, which was $32,291.27. And so the finance charge, or the amount of interest that you're going to pay, is $3,708.73. Okay, so the total cost of your vehicle over this time, the money that you are actually paying them, is the total of your monthly payments, which is your $36,000, plus you put a down payment of $10,000 out of your pocket. So the total amount of money that you're paying for the car is $46,000. Hopefully that makes sense. You're going to try 5 of these scenarios, and then you're going to check your solutions.